Hello and welcome to how to add my How to Train Your Dragon sword to your avatar. First you will want to go into these folders and grab this prefab and drag it into your hierarchy. Then you will want to drag it onto your character and unpack. Next you will want to open up your armature down to your hands. And then open up the sword and drag this right hand sword onto your right hand, left hand on the left hand, and the leg should go on the right leg. Now, if you want to move it around, if you're using a different avatar, you just click here on the sword body and see how the one is on the leg holster sword. If it's on one here, you can just click on this leg holster and move it around. If you want to go to other ones, like the right hand, just change the leg holster to 0 and the right hand to 1. And then you can see that it's on the right hand, and then you can grab this right hand and move it around. Once you're done moving everything around, you want to go back to the leg holster as the default. Next step is the animations. So you want to go into this animation folder and grab this FX, this, and this. And then you can drag them into your animation folder of your avatar so you can go back and forth easily. First you'll want to add this sword parameter to your avatar parameters as a bool. Then you will want to add this menu to your menu. Just add a control, type in the name. I made a little icon that you can use, make it a submenu. It doesn't need a parameter. You can find the sword menu there. Oh, no, subtoggle, wrong one. And then you can move on to the FX. You can start copying these and set them all to weight 1 and mask. Once you get all the names, you can go into here, take this, you only need this one since this avatar already has these. And you just go into parameters and add a bool named that. And you can start copying the contents of the layers. Just Control C and Control V. Sometimes it copies weird, so you're gonna have to right click this and set state machine default and click on idle. And you just do that for all of these. Set state machine. Set state machine. Once you have everything done, you can just click on the sword and toggle it off as default. That should be it for the animations, so that's all set. Now you can upload. It should be good to upload. But if you want to change anything in here, like if you want the fire to be a different color, all you have to do is go into this and color adjust, and you can change the color of the fire, like if you want blue fire from the sword or anything. You can also change the color of the gas doing the same, the color adjust. You can change the textures, just putting the texture in here. If you want to change the emissions that the sword gives off, you can change the color here with the hue shift. That should be about it.